How's it going? We're here for day 224 of Fergus Scout Village in day 2017. I have the wonderful Fiacre Hayes here with me from Socks and the Frying Pan, and a man from Ennis. We came all the way to St. Paul in Minnesota just for this play tune. There's the Minnesota Irish Fair is on behind us. Eileen Ivers lashing out there, so we're going to play a Clare tune in Minnesota. Junior Crehan's also known as the Lower Dawn, is this? Something like that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, Fiacre. See you tomorrow for day 225.